and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is gonna be part 4 of our trip to Nice, France. If you haven't seen the first 3 parts, I'm gonna put the all 3 links in the description down below. But we're now thinking, is this the best city to live in France? It is very nice here, definitely worth visiting. We'll definitely come back. If you have any questions for me about the city, about, you know, maybe if you want to visit, if you have any recommendations, just leave them in the comments down below and I'll do my very best to answer. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe to support the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Nice boutique area. Marge. Nice. Oh, look at this. Very nice. Hey. Bon. Excuse-moi, téléphone. Retrouver. Ah, où? Désert. Ah, parfumé. Ouais. Eh, c'est quoi le chien ici? Oh, j'aime le chien ici. C'est trop fait. Ah! Mais il y a pas de sandwich là. Ooh. Oh, that's the one I got in Vegas.
Yeah.
Ooh. Cookie X. You have sandwich? Espresso. What is the cream on top of the tart espresso?
It's whipped cream made with coffee bean infused inside.
I've never really had. Is it like really flaky?
Et ça, c'est croustillant.
Oui, exactement. Et au centre, c'est très crème avec la ganache.
Et le goût, c'est un goût de
Noisette.
Noisette.
Noisette et un petit côté aussi, on va dire chocolat italien. Jambouille.
Chocolat, très bien. Okay. No, not smaller. That's the smallest.
Yes.
Il n'y a pas plus petit.
Non, on ne fait pas l'individuel.
Is chocolate different layers of chocolate?
Yes, exactly.
Like a royal.
Caramel, insert, hazelnut praliné, feuillantine, a little bit crispy, and chocolate mousse.
Chocolate mousse, okay. Which one do you want?
Let's try this one.
Okay.
Or do you want this? Et ça?
Des croissants avec une crème pâtissière au goût de la passion.
Ah, ça, c'est croissant.
Ouais.
So it's the fancy one. There's things inside? There is a filling inside?
Passion de... Ah oui. Et c'est combien?
6,50.
This one?
It's more filling over that one, just more like out that
This
one.
one?
I want to have it.
Huh?
I prefer that. Or this tarte pistache. What's the most favorite bestseller?
The millefeuille,
Ah ouais.
the pavlova.
Marine. Wait, hold on. Where are we going now?
You want to go to the supermarket?
Oh yeah.
Huh? Or a different supermarket?
Is there another one?
I mean, it's probably
Actually, I didn't see any others. I really like this building.
Patisserie Lac.
Well,
It's the best patisserie.
what is Patisserie Lac? That means the best?
No, that's the name.
Oh, which one? Oh, not this one.
Patisserie Lac.
Where is it?
Oh, it's
That looks nice. C'est 100. Voilà ça. Ça. Mais tu veux le sandwich? Oui, je sais.
Je veux manger au
Okay. Okay. Well, the McDo is a very good location.
It's criminal to go
It's
right
actually no.
under.
Then let's go this way. It's a little different. Ah! J'aime pas trop. Hein. Wow. Eh, we're eat here, Dondra. I mean, no. We can eat here in Aix-en-Provence.
Yeah, that's nice.
Like here, we can enjoy our stuff. I think they don't care what they eat. They just want to enjoy it. Hey, this is Chanel. This is Chanel comment on dit? Only sells perfume. Did we pass by this earlier?
You know how to go?
I think this way. Like that, I know. This is the. Ooh, I like this. Look at this building. Very, very French.
I like that. Oh, I could have done this with the cake.
Non. Sauce. Filet de soupe? C'est quoi ça? C'est pas le
Wolf filet.
Oui.
It's everywhere.
It's not a place in the MGM Park MGM has that Italy restaurant called the Pizza La Pasta or something like that. They love pasta here.
I had a gigantic pizza.
Eating by himself, he's very hungry. There's Pepsi. That's Quebec. Oh, you don't want the galette. Oh, that's a very nice Starbucks.
It is.
You wanna go inside? Pizzeria. Paella. Let's go to Super. Super. Mule. Oui, c'est mule à volonté.
Yeah. Moon.
Moule à volonté. Wow. That looks more special than in Spain. I didn't see in Spain they have that thing. They're really hyping it up. That's another a la pizza.
To center, double tap.
I did.
It's good.
You want to check the very... Oh, no, here.
Oh.
Huh. I know what you're thinking. I have to say this one is very good. Canet.
Huh? What is?
No, I said this one was very good. This is slightly more expensive.
This one.
Because maybe...
To kill a little time break.
No. I can go somewhere else to kill some time. Is this Macadee today? It is. Oh, you want this then? That could be.
Because I don't want to eat more because it's.
I know this food. Eh, they have falafel too. Super vieux. Oh, they have it. They have it. Good. I like the shrimp. It was pretty good.
Is it by like
You wanna try the quinoa up there? That probably has more flavor.
Wait.
Let me see that one. Quinoa burger. Un peu.
Du 23 mai au 3 juin 2023, bénéficiez de 30% en bons utiles sur les produits disponibles et signalés.
I like the cheese. Cheese on the top later.
N'attendez plus et rendez-vous vite au rayon bonbons de votre magasin. L'achat utile valable à
No, this is on the top later, last.
jusqu'au 18 juin 2023 dans le magasin émetteur, hors presse, livres, carburant et
Oui.
gaz.
Légumes grillés. Ah, tomate. On a déjà? Oh. Oui. Le carotte. Carotte là. Ok, vas-y. Pas de mozzarella. C'est quoi le poulet? Yeah, poulet, non. Oh, that's a pasta you can get if you want. Pasta shala. That's what is it? Penne? No. C'est quoi ça? Grande ligne? No. What is?
Garganelli.
C'est quoi ça? La nouille à... Ah, non.
Nouille à l'asiatique.
Oh non, not asiatique. Ah, le fromage. Là. Oui. Ouais, c'est bon. Oui. Merci. Je pense que ça c'est un 8 €.
C'est 8.
8 peut-être.
Quoique, fini pâtisserie.
On a besoin de sac.
sac.
That's like the cart.
Oui.
Because you need something. Oh, that yeah. We don't want them to charge us that because we bought it early. Eh? C'est quoi?
Fresh mood. Ooh, look at this one. How much is that? Hey. Oh, this is 8 for 340 grams.
Hey, can you put the San Pellegrino in my bag?
No. Tasty.
Ah, okay. Where? Oh, chips. Hey, they have guacamole here. Like. Oui. Non, c'est bon Bordeaux. C'est Bordeaux 2021. Boki. You want something for snacks tomorrow, but we'll come back, I'm sure. So close. Yeah, you want to show your viewers which ones? Oh, I like those. Something 50%. That's réduction. Oh no, that's not too good.
Because it's 50%.
Okay. No, there's only 50 cents less. C'est la section bio. Hey, regarde. Ah, you can make a salmon
from 50%. No, but it's on the product. It has to have that.
No, I'm just saying. I just saw this salmon fumé.
Either, but tomorrow I have. Yeah.
Oh, I love the baguette. Baguette was good.
Oh, that's.
You should. We should go there. We can even get a coffee and sit there.
And then to wait.
Oh, that's La Poste. Just this one thing, right?